Welcome to the fascinating realm of scrap wood creations, where imagination meets sustainability. In an age where environmental consciousness is paramount, the art of woodworking offers a unique opportunity to transform discarded materials into beautiful and functional items. This journey not only celebrates creativity, but also emphasizes the importance of reducing waste and embracing eco-friendly practices. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a curious beginner, this introduction will guide you through the process of turning scrap wood into profitable treasures, allowing you to harness your skills while making a positive impact on the planet.
As we deepen into the world of woodworking, you'll discover a wealth of ideas and inspiration for projects that can breathe new life into leftover materials. From simple decorative pieces to intricate designs, the possibilities are endless. This exploration will not only enhance your craftsmanship, but also empower you to create unique items that resonate with consumers seeking sustainable alternatives. Join us as we embark on this creative adventure, where every scrap tells a story and
If you're enjoying the journey of transforming scrap wood into beautiful creations, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support means the world to us, and by hitting that like button, you help spread the word about sustainable woodworking practices. Don't forget to share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone interested in eco-friendly crafts. Stay tuned until the end as we have some exciting tips and bonus ideas to enhance your projects and elevate your skills. Together, let's turn trash into treasure and inspire others to join us on this creative adventure. Woodworking has long been celebrated as a craft that transforms raw materials into functional and beautiful creations. In recent years, the push for sustainability has led many artisans to explore the potential of scrap wood. By utilizing leftover pieces, woodworkers not only reduce waste, but also unlock new avenues for profit. This journey from discarded timber to treasured items offers a unique blend of creativity and entrepreneurship, inviting individuals to
The first step in capitalizing on scrap wood is recognizing its inherent value. Often, small offcuts from larger projects are overlooked and discarded, but these remnants can serve as the foundation for innovative designs. Salvaging wood from old furniture, pallets, or construction sites can yield a treasure trove of materials that possess character and history. Each piece of scrap wood carries its own narrative, which can enhance the appeal of the final product and serve as a selling point to customers who appreciate craftsmanship and storytelling.
Understanding the market landscape is crucial for anyone looking to profit from scrap wood creations. There has been a significant rise in consumer interest for sustainable, handcrafted products. As eco-awareness grows, many buyers are actively seeking out items that reflect their values. By offering unique pieces made from recycled materials, woodworkers can appeal to this demographic. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for items that not only look good, but also contribute to environmental sustainability, allowing artisans to maintain healthy profit margins. Cost efficiency is another compelling reason to explore scrap wood projects. Since many of the materials can be obtained at little to no cost, the overhead expenses are significantly lower compared to traditional woodworking endeavors. This affordability enables woodworkers, especially beginners, to start small and scale up. Marketing is a key component in the success of any woodworking business. Utilizing social media platforms, e-commerce sites, and local craft fairs allows artisans to showcase their creations to a broader audience.
High-quality photographs, engaging descriptions, and well-crafted narratives about the origins of each piece can draw in potential customers. By effectively communicating the unique aspects of their work, woodworkers can create a strong brand presence that resonates with eco-conscious consumers who value authenticity and craftsmanship. Networking with other artisans can provide valuable opportunities for growth and collaboration. Engaging with local woodworking clubs, online forums, or social media groups can facilitate connections with like-minded individuals. These relationships can lead to shared resources, ideas, and even joint projects, enhancing creativity and innovation. By building a supportive community, woodworkers can inspire one another and explore new avenues for profitability and artistic expression. Developing a distinct style is essential for standing out in the woodworking market. Crafting a recognizable aesthetic helps differentiate one's work from competitors, allowing for brand identity to flourish. This could involve specific design elements, finishes, or thematic focuses that tie creations together. Consistency. Quality should never be compromised, regardless of the materials used. Each piece, whether made from scrap or new wood, should be crafted with care, ensuring durability and functionality. Customers appreciate well-made items, and positive reviews can significantly impact sales. Investing time in honing techniques and perfecting finishes not only elevates the final product, but also enhances the overall reputation of the artisan, leading to increased trust and customer loyalty. Offering customization options can further expand the potential for profitability. Many consumers seek unique items tailored to their specific needs or preferences. By providing personalized options, woodworkers can cater to a diverse audience. This could involve creating bespoke furniture, decorative pieces, or functional items that align with a customer's vision. The ability to customize products can lead to higher sales and repeat business as customers appreciate the personal touch and attention to detail. Emphasizing the story behind each piece can enhance its market appeal. Sharing the origins of the wood, the creative process, and the transformation from scrap to treasure engages customers on a deeper level. This connection fosters appreciation for the craftsmanship involved, making buyers more likely to invest in the creations. In conclusion, transforming scrap wood into profitable creations is not only a sustainable practice, but also a fulfilling artistic journey. With careful planning, creativity, and a focus on quality, woodworkers can build a successful business while positively impacting the environment. The beauty of woodworking lies in its ability to turn what many see as waste into treasured items that resonate with customers. By embracing this philosophy, artisans can truly turn. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of scrap wood creations. Your support means so much to us, and we're excited to share our passion for woodworking with you. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing for more tutorials, tips, and creative ideas that celebrate sustainability and craftsmanship. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave comments or share your own experiences with scrap wood projects. Together, let's continue to explore the endless possibilities of turning discarded materials into beautiful treasures.